Action.
Nature is smart. Nature is strong. Introducing Masakudogo Junior School, Grade 9, Group 4. Hear the little child of earth. Nature. Nature is beauty. Nature is moodly. Nature is smart. Nature is blue. Nature is green. Nature is true. Nature is you. Nature is me. Nature will forever be free. Nature is beautiful, it's love. It is a place of peace, not for anyone. It gives us many things, but we give back destruction. It is home for many. I can't think of anything more beautiful than it. I can only think about its beauty. We appreciate.